Hey, you guys, this is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101. We're looking at the floor plan at the 1900 McKinney. This is a two-bedroom, and it's a treat. I can't wait for you to see it. Hey, we're going to start over here. Before we walk in, you've got a wonderful area that you can, it's a real private desk area so that you can work from here. You won't be distracted. It's very, very private. You do have a washer and dryer room in there as well, so great room over there. Now, look at this beautiful, gorgeous loft feel that's in here. This is a very large area. I'm walking and like you could get a workout walking this back and forth. This is really, really pretty. But then you'll have these fantastic views. Do you see this? This is amazing. You've got beautiful Clyde Warren Park views right over there. And by the way, super easy and quick to walk to that as well. You can get there in 3 or 4 minutes. Very, very quick walk. There's food trucks there, there's restaurants, and there's restaurants all around us too. But isn't this beautiful? Just a gorgeous area. You're just in the best area of town. It's just phenomenal. But then you're going to have this beautiful area to enjoy. You've got so much to work with here. You can put couches, you can put love seats, tables. You've got a lot of wall space to work with. It's just beautiful, and you're going to have just incredible views. Let's go and look at the kitchen real quick. I love the kitchen because I love how connected it is, because you can easily prepare food here and then here, and then you can have machines running that maybe prepare food here, or just get your coffee or whatever you need. But you've got a lot to work with, and it'd be really easy to display your food and have it ready to serve here. You can grab some bar stools here and put those down there. But this is a really, very functional kitchen? Beautiful appliances. That's a Bosch fridge that's there, so love that. Hey, let's go check out one of the bedrooms, and then I want you to notice too, it does have a Nest style thermostat there, so you can control that from your app. Very important if you need to leave town for a bit, and you can just keep the air condition at your preferred coolness or warmth. This is the bedroom. The bedroom is very big. Huge wall here. This would be perfect really for your bed, your king size bed, and a lot more, frankly. But then over here would be a great area for your dresser, TV, and things like that. And then look at these views. You've got continuation, beautiful views, part 2 from the area that we just saw. I'm going to walk into the bathroom. The bathroom's really pretty. I love the dual sinks that are here. Those are gorgeous. And then you've got this lovely, huge tub and great shower. And then the closet this is a winner. This is a winner closet. This is so much storage. And you can add more if you need it. But there's so much that's already here. That alpha shelving really makes that wonderful in there. So gorgeous bedroom and bathroom. And then we're going to go look at the other one and notice the good separation that's here on this too. So that's over there. And then, hey, here is another bathroom, and this is a good guest bathroom as well. I like it that it does have the shower, frankly. I like that. I prefer that. So it's nice to see that. And then guests, of course, can take care of themselves in here too. Here's the bedroom. The bedroom is all square, good size. I would say if you put your bedding here against the wall, that would be an easy king, certainly an easy queen too, and a lot of good space for other things in here. And here's your closet. Now this is a little bit smaller closet, so this would be more, it could be your second bedroom, or it could be just a guest bedroom, whatever you like. So that's how that rolls on that. So anyway, beautiful floor plan. I really love it. And again, it's the eye. We'd love to get you more information about this floor plan or the perfect floor plan for you. What we do is we're Uptown 101. We save you time, and we find your perfect apartment, and we do it in a way that removes your stress and gets you that perfect apartment quickly. Reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. It's 100% free service. We're at uptown101.com. uptown101.com/search. You can actually reach out to me directly. I'm the owner of Uptown 101. I'm Grant Bynum. I'm at 214-492-9791, 214-492-9791. You can text me if you like. Talk to you soon.